Hello there. I'm going to walk you through a short tutorial on Google Slides. Once you have opened up a Google Slides, of course, up here on the top left-hand corner is where you would put your title, your name, all the important information that will give a name to your file. Okay. A couple of things that we have here is to change background is you just click on your background. You can choose any of the colors and then click done. To add them to the rest, you would just click add theme and it'll add it to all the other slides that you add into it. Once you're done, you click done. If you want to change it, you do have the option of some that are already built in. You can add an image if you have one already. You can choose it from there. Otherwise, you might just stick to the background colors. Okay, and that is the background. If you want to do transitions, this is where you would click here, and this will transition your slide from one to the next. And this is a short list, but you can see here you would just click on it, and then you say apply to all slides, and it'll add it to all your slides. You can determine how fast or slow it transitions. To kind of see how it works, you would click play, and it would show you, it'd give you an idea of what it would look like. Okay. To add us another slide here, of course, you come over here to slide. You can click duplicate. You can click on new, either one. If you want to copy the same thing over and over, you would just click duplicate, and it'll give you the same one. Typically, what I tend to do is I like to have mine just kind of cleared out of anything. So that's what I would do to mine. Just clean it up. Just be able to start blank. Of course, you're more than welcome to leave the layouts. If you want to choose layouts, here are some choices that you can pick from. You would just click on that little drop down. To insert images, this is where you would come. You would click right here. If you already have one in your drive, computer, a Google Drive or V Drive, W Drive, you would just click on here. You can search for it. You can take a snapshot if you're able to, if your computer is set up for that. If you find one on the internet, you can find it by URL. Clicking where it says by URL. Sure, it's a little slow today. You can also do by album. Just cancel this screen right here. Okay. So, like I said, you can add an image. You can do a snapshot. You can do it by URL. If your albums, your Google Drive, or you can just do a plain search. Searching these three sites. Or you can go outside, search for it, type in the URL, and put it in right there. Once you do, hit enter, select it, click select, and it'll be added onto your screen. To insert a video, very much the same way. Now this one, you can only insert videos from YouTube. So you can either you can do a YouTube search, just type it in right there, hit enter, or you can go to the main site, go to YouTube, youtube.com, and once you find a video that you like, here at the bottom, where it says click on show more, I'm not going to show us there, but typically what I do is I'll do the thumbs up, find it, just right click on it, copy, then I'll come back over here, I'll say by URL, just click right there, paste, and it'll give us a video. Okay. Once you find the video, once it populates right there, let me just show you. Once you go in, you paste it, You find it, you click select, and it'll be added on. You can customize the size. You can move it around, any of those things. Okay. Insert a link works very much the same way, but you do have to have either an image or a box set up in there. Let me show you first with an image. Let's search for. Let's do a search. Let's just say Google. See what we get. Okay. We'll look at these Google boxes right here. We'll click select, and you notice all this white right here. Whenever you do a search, and I'll delete this and start over again. Insert image. When you do a search, what I like to do is you can pick a white, and what the white will do is it'll have a transparent background. Seeing there's no white, there's not a background built into it. That way it just kind of blends in with your own background, whatever background that you've chosen. I'm gonna change this green, just not liking it too much. I'm gonna pick about a blue. That's a little better. It just blends in with it. It's a lot better. But to add a link, you just got to have that selected. You go to insert, link, and now you can add, you paste website link, a video link, whichever it may be, and it'll be permanently attached to it. Okay. Let me see. To do the word art, you insert word art right there. You type it in. You can see right here. If you want to change the font, just click in the box, go to right here, go to Arial, and you can see how it changes. Okay. And if you want to change the size on this font, all you got to do is just drag it. You can do this way. You can make it short. So, and that's how you change the font size on word art. Okay. If you want to create diagrams, you can use the shapes. And once you've selected a shape, you can just type in it. You don't have to create a text box. And I think that's about it. Let me know if you have questions as far as some extra things that you want to do. I'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you.